Good afternoon, friends. Let's proceed further with the next simulation and a few points to be remembered out here. And I wanted to share what would be the changes in this particular simulation that I'm going to draw for all of us using the R programming, especially the platform is RStudios. Now here you will see that in the prior video presentation of mine that the simulation was taken place at a fixed time. We know that Ramani was at the mall at fifth minute and she spent exactly 10 minutes before she could leave the mall in irritation. Now, let us proceed further and see one more simulation, wherein this time it is basically a simulation taking place at a random time. So, everything remains the same thing for us. However, just few changes. I have the coding with me so that we can go ahead and understand it nicely and then proceed further also side by side. Now here you will see, let's go ahead again step by step. Right now I told you that the earlier simulation was at the fixed time. Now we are looking for the simulation, okay, wherein the customer, that is Ramini, is arriving the mall at a random time. Because you see, the mall individuals doesn't know that yes, Ramini is going to visit a mall at so and so time. We do not know, so it's a randomly that is being taken care. However, we should remember that the time spent in the bank is exactly the 10 minutes, which we are not changing the scenario. I hope all of you are with me right now. Now again, we will go ahead and install and call upon the library, that is the package for Simmer. Now here we one more first addition that you will see is set seed 10211. Now set seed is another I would say function which is used both in Python as well as in our programming. However, just remember this thing that we use set seed which allows the same sequence of random numbers to be drawn whenever we are running the code continuously in our programming. If you are at the Python platform, especially at the collaborator, or I would say Jupyter or Spider, Anaconda, wherever you're working on Python, there also we go ahead and we set the seeds, okay, and then we carry forward as it is. The customer, the trajectory is the same thing, nothing has been changed. The path of the customer at the mall GIP sector 18, and this is one. Okay, now I forgot to run, so let me run each and every line so that we are aware and checking out with the errors also side by side. So set a seed, also no error. Customer, it's the data frame that I have created, wherein I have got the trajectory, that is the path of the customer visiting the mall GIP sector 18 Noida, and login, again I'm at the entrance of the mall, and timeout is we are giving to her leverage as 10. We will see after changing the times also as to how it is going to affect the simulation. Log, now I cannot wait, this I have already explained in my last video presentation. The second one is the mall, wherein it's again a data frame, wherein I'm going to call up the package Simmer, and now I'm saying that it is nothing but the my visit, that is the name of it is my visit to the mall GIP. You can see over here, the moment I come over to Simmer, it gives you the entire argument, that is name equals to what, verbose, whether it is true or false. I haven't used all these things. Monitor, definitely yes, and log level. So all these things are the parameters which are present for the Simmer. However, I'm just going ahead with the name of it, and that's why Simmer my visit to the mall GIP, that is the name of the simulation. And to avoid the errors, I have even included the pipelines. Add generator, here you will see some changes out here. In the earlier one I just had set out at for fifth minute. However, here it is the customer Ramani Swarna, and rather than just looking at her at the fixed time, now in order to generate the random sequence, we use a function called as REXP. REXP is nothing but it's a exponential that is used in R for the distribution. So you can say that REXP is a function which is drawn from an exponential distribution with the given parameter, that is 1 upon 5. So I'm looking the instances that are taking place and what is the distribution out here. Then as simple as that, for the next one is the mall. We are going to run until it is 100, and then check out with the monetary levels also side by side. So these are the small changes that you can see out here. And now let us run. I have done till set seed. After that it is customer. So customer also done, mall is also done. Now I have to run first of all simmer. After simmer it is add generator, which is there. Okay, so I don't see any fault. No, there is a fault over here with the bracketing, otherwise it should not have been escaping it. So here, okay, I have got an error out here in the earlier one. So it has not taken up the third one. So let me go ahead and introduce one more bracket and then run. Now it is fine. Mall. Okay, so here the first mall that we have run shows the change in the time. Last time we saw it was 5th minute. Now it is 7.8393, and this is due to the set seed that we have taken care of. I'll change it and just see, she spent exactly 10 minutes. Again, the time limit is the 10 minutes only, and that's why it has given to us as 17.8393. So Ramani Swarna, the same thing. And if I run the last one, that is the monitor part of it, you will see that yes, here Ramani Swarna is the first customer. Start time is 7.839305. End time is so much. Activity time is exactly 10 minutes. Finished, true. Replication is 1. So this is the simulation that you can check it out. Now if you want the changes in the time, which we can see the time, instead of 10 minutes, let's make it as 20, and now run the entire thing once again and see what is taking place. Set seed, customer, mall, add, and everything is fine. Mall. Now can you see it starts at 7.8393, 20 minutes addition to it, and you can see the results. And now with the monitoring arrivals, with that function also you can see that yes, changes have come in. So these are the small things that you need to understand and see how the things are taking place. If you want, you can even go ahead and instead of 100, let's make it 200 here and run it and see what is happening. Now can you see anything happening? Simmer environment, my visit, now it is this one, next is this much, and let's run the next one again, Ramani. So activity time is 20, so I don't see much changes out here also. Okay, so this thing goes about it. So let me come up with another simulation keeping the same thing ready, and next we will see some more changes within the single customer visiting the mall, and we will find out more details about it. Thank you for watching this. Take care. Bye.